Interrogative sentences. अब हम क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे पास्ट परफेक्ट में. क्वेश्चन हो जाएगा हमारा, हैड ही सीन द मूवी बिफोर. Had you received the parcel before the farewell? Had you bought the camera before the wedding? Had they prepared the lunch by the time they arrived? By the time she arrived. तो हमारा सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर क्या होगा?
Had
Yes.
Subject
plus subject, singular or
Had
plural,
plus
Plus
with
subject
plus
singular
the third form of
plus
verb,
third form of verb
plus object
plus third form of
third
the
form of
verb
verb plus object
plus object
plus
Question.
object,
plus question.
question mark.
plus
That
question
is
mark.
our sentence structure for interrogative sentences जो कि had से शुरू हो रहे हैं.
Yes. ma'am.
एग्जाम्पल दीजिए.
Had you eaten the meal?
had he eaten breakfast
Had you eaten the breakfast?
before going to school?
Yeah. Before going to school. Any other examples? You can write your examples in the chat box also. मैं देख ही रही हूँ.
Had she finished her homework?
Yes. Had she finished her homework?
Had she seen the dog bite?
Had she joined the meeting yesterday?
Had she seen the dog? Good. Had
she visited Paris?
Had she joined the meeting yesterday?
yes, joined the meeting yesterday. Good.
Had they gone for movie?
Yes, had they gone for movie? Everyone else, please write the examples in the chat box. समझ में आना चाहिए ना.
Had you reached station before
Had
coming
you
train?
forgotten your purse before going to the market? That's also right, Rani. That's correct.
Ma'am, okay? Is it okay, ma'am?
Yes, it's okay. It's correct.
Okay. Done.
Ma'am, had you reached station before coming train?
Before the train came.
Had she done her homework?
Yes, had she done her homework? Someone has already told that.
Ma'am, my
Now,
sentence correct
interrogate.
or wrong?
Had she completed her project before the last submission? Yes, that's also correct. If they had not, we are not. Okay, you have given the example for the negative one. If they had not done their work, they would have been suspended from their job. Yes, that's correct, Sanskar.
Had you joined?
Now, we will
Had
be
we
move.
received the invitation
Had you
Yes.
before
received?
the event started? Had we received the
Sorry,
invitation?
what was your example sentence?
Had we received, had you received the invitation before the event
Received.
started?
Received.
Yes,
Ma'am, had she
that's
called
correct.
you?
Had you received
Ma'am, please
Before
check
joining
once
the
in
meeting.
chat
That's
box,
correct,
please.
Rani.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
that's
Thank you.
correct.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ma'am, had she called?
Hmm? Had
Ma'am,
she?
had she called you?
You are not audible, Khushbu. You are not properly audible. Please type it in the chat box. In the meantime, we will move to the WH type questions.
मैम आपने पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस नहीं पढ़ाया क्या?
अरे मैं कितनी बार बोलूं? मैंने कल भी बताया था, मैंने परसों भी बताया था कि मैं परफेक्ट के बाद कंटिन्यूअस बताऊंगी।
ओके मैम।
अब हम आते हैं WH टाइप या फिर क्वेश्चन वर्ड से स्टार्ट होने वाले क्वेश्चंस के लिए।
मैम देखिए।
Had he completed his project before joining the meeting? Yes, correct.
ठीक है मैम।
हाँ, ठीक है। Have you finished your work yesterday? Question mark. Had she called you? Correct. Had she prepared for her exam before getting the date sheet? That's right. Okay. Now, WH type questions. What had she seen on your desk before she fainted? Which book had he passed on before before he left? Uh, why had you no
Why had they left the meeting?
yeah, why had they left the meeting before it ended?
मैम
And
why
you can
had
add this object or you can just leave it like that. It's up to you. It's not necessary, it's not always necessary to add this object before it ended. You can simply stop your question at why had they left the meeting.
Oh, okay.
मैम
Yes?
मैम ये आएगा ना? Why had Mariam cried?
Yes, ये भी आ जाएगा.
Yes.
Why had Mariam cried. Which course had you joined? That's also correct. So, what would be our sentence structure for these type of
Whose
questions?
car had they borrowed?
Sorry?
Whose
Whose
car
car?
had they borrowed? Car.
Yes.
Whose car had they borrowed?
Whose
Why had she
car
eaten food?
had they borrowed?
Why had she forgotten her AirPods?
Where
Why had
had
she
she
forgotten
eaten?
her
Why had she forgotten her AirPods?
airports?
Ma'am,
Earpods.
Yes, ma'am.
earbuds.
Yes, earbuds or AirPods.
AirPod.
Yes. Okay. So what would be our sentence structure?
इसमें
WH.
आएगा
WH
WH type word or question word?
plus had
plus had
plus had
Yes. Plus
plus
had
subject singular and
plus
plus
subject.
subject singular and plural
Yes. Singular plus
plus
plural.
third form of verb
third form of verb
Or
plus
object.
object
Plus question
Plus
mark.
third form of
plus
the word
question mark.
plus object plus
Question
question mark. Good. That is our sentence formation for WH type question or question starting with any question word. How had he crossed the river? Before it got flooded.
How had the rain affected the village?
Yes, good. How had the rain affected the village? Okay, so we are done with uh, interrogative sentences, normal, and now we are going for negative interrogative sentences.
Ma'am, please check once in chat box.
Why they had eaten food before starting the party? Yes, good. That's correct.
Okay, done.
Interrogative. Negative interrogative sentences, yes. Negative interrogative sentences.
how had
Yes. Now we are starting with had. Had
Plus
they
subject.
not arrived on time? We will add, for negative, we will add not.
how had the
How had he done this with her? Yes, that's right.
ma'am how had he not crossed the river before it
Had
got
he not met them earlier? Yeah, how? We are not doing how questions, we are doing had questions, right? So, Had you not eaten your breakfast before going to the school? Had you not